Let's do the legal minute now. Paul Harding back, ready to go from Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. Hey, Paul.
Hey, good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning.
So, weird story about legendary actor James Woods.
It's an odd story, right? So this whole thing sort of broke when somebody tweeted that he was a cocaine user, and he just, sometimes, the things that bothers the most are things that maybe hit home, And I think in his past he had used some cocaine, but he had been clean, and so he went crazy, and he said, I'm going to find out who this Twitter user is, and he filed lawsuits.
He stayed up all night long.
Yeah, he just went nuts on this thing, and he was going to find out. He's saying, this is a libel claim, which is defamation of character through writing, and I want to find out who this skunk is.
Right.
So through the course of the lawsuit, and he was just about, they were kind of going through litigation, and the guy died, and then James Wood made this, I'm sure you saw it, this horrible statement about how glad he was the guy died, and he hoped he died an agonizing and miserable death. So James Woods is an angry guy.
Yeah, that's not cool.
No.
I mean, what they said about him was horrible, but you don't want to do that.
Well, there's a unique rule, though. And you guys, actually, Mike and Mary, you guys would fall prey to this. So if someone were to, and they wouldn't, but if someone were to say something about you guys that was not true and was not flattering, there's actually a different standard. So once you are a public figure, and you guys by definition are public figures, as is James Wood, there's a higher standard. And the higher standard that there is you need to show that there was malice or evil intent. So I could say something about my neighbor, and I might be found liable for defamation of character. But I could say something about someone who's in the public eye, and there's a lot of latitude. We can say things about maybe Trump or Hillary
or the Kardashians.
Yeah.
Or the Kardashians. So,
or a reminder, or Mary Sensi.
No, please.
So, but at the end of the day, we're never going to see how this plays out. He's, the guy who wrote this died of, we assume, natural causes. So,
Jeez, I didn't even know that they died. I just thought he found out who it was.
Oh, yeah.
He found out post-mortem.
Wow.
Right, and he still said all that horrible stuff about him.
Oh, my God. Okay.
Yeah. But that's a really good point. You don't know who these people are on Twitter because we hide behind these names, right?
You'll never figure me out at Mike Zarni.
I know me too. Mary Sensi.
Yeah, you guys might be a little easier to pinpoint, but this guy's name was didn't have any of that stuff in there. But
well, guess what? Guess what, Mr. Lawyer Man, Mr. Paul? Now that you're on the radio with us every week, you are no longer just a lawyer or private figure. You are a public celebrity lawyer.
Yep.
So so they can come after me. And
higher standard.
To talk about you, call you names too.
Good.
Have a great week. Thanks for hanging out with us again.
Thanks, Paul.
Thanks, guys.